The first piece of exciting news is this property. This isn't a farm stay or a hip camp. We haven't set up the camper because this is our new home. We've made a tree change. Like I said, have an open mind because she's a bit of a fixer-upper, but the bones are good and we're gonna make this place beautiful. Let us know if you want to see the renos.
Yeah.
Good day everyone and welcome to Clueless Renovators. Hey everyone and welcome to the Robbo Renovators. Hey everyone, welcome to Roaming with the Renovators. Hey everyone and welcome to the Robbo Renos. G'day everyone and welcome to Renovating with the Robbos who are not roaming. G'day everyone and welcome to Roaming in the Robbo. So we were absolutely blown away with the response from our previous episode that we put out about our tree change, and the fact that everybody was full of congratulations and praise, and they really want to see some of the renovations we got in store for this house, which is surprising considering we're mainly, well, we are a, oh my god, what's he done? I'll show you that in a minute. That we are mainly a travel channel, and we've made the tree change and we've taken on a massive renovation project. What I was talking about, my old man's coming here at the moment to do some painting. He's just shot out for now, but he painted the ceilings in here today and he dribbled some paint on the wall. God, Dad. So I figured what we'd do with this episode is just sort of wander about and talk about the, what do they call it, like the scope of works for what we have planned for this house. Now, what we'll do is we'll overlay some footage of when we very first moved in, because we've already started to tear things down and do a lot of painting. So what we'll do now is we'll overlay some shots of what it looked like with the window dressings and the old paint and the lacy curtains. And what else was there? There was a little bit of junk lying around, but because it already looks much better, in our opinion, than what it was when we first got here. hopefully you've seen and had a good old laugh at what it used to look like. And now as I wander around, you'll see there's still not finished, obviously, but there's fresh paint on the walls. That that old beast, that's going. But we've got Sparkies turning up tomorrow. We've got a local builder who's going to do the majority of the work for us, and then we've also got a local Sparky and his crew, and they're going to be coming and going with the kitchen and the flooring and, you know, the lights and the fans and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to film this now before the Sparkies get here, because the place is going to look slightly different tomorrow afternoon, because these fans are going in the bedrooms. There's a couple of little lights for Camo's room, and above the dining table, that light's being installed here, and these ones here are being removed. But what we'll do, we'll just wander around. This is, what would you call this room? I don't know, like we were saying before, there's been so many additions to the property but no updates. Like this used to be the outside of the house. That's an exterior wall, and this beast here, this is a wood-fired hot water system. If I want a hot shower, I've got to light this thing. It sounds weird, but it's actually really good. So yeah, this is like an extension room. Games room maybe, a rumpus room we'll turn it into, I'm not too sure. But this tiled ceiling here, that builder I was talking about before, his name's Nick. He's ripping all that down and he's gyp-rocking that roof, and he's also gyp-rocking what used to be the exterior of the house. We'll have a big sliding barn door, something like that there. And then as we go into mine and Miranda's room, same deal. This was an extension, and that's all, like, you know, those tile panels that you get, that's all coming down. That's all going to be gyp-rock ceiling, and this wood paneling is going to be painted. New window dressings are going to be plantation shutters. Let's go back into the kitchen, because I love this countertop. I got a good chuckle out of a few of you. So I want to keep that. Maybe we'll keep it for the camp kitchen. That'd be a good idea if we ever open up hip camps. We'll check in with the boss on that one. So that's the first thing that's got to get ripped out, because we want this put back together for Christmas. We got my family coming here for Chrissy. If not, I think one of our commenters said it'll be a Ziggy barbecue for Christmas, which is a pretty good consolation prize if you ask me. That suits me just fine. All right, we'll walk into the laundry, and my God, is it ugly. Apologies to the previous owners, but it does need an update. So it's a brand new laundry. I'll be tearing all that out. So new tiles, new bench top, new cupboards, new sink, all that sort of stuff. And the bathroom, oh, look at this. This bathroom is amazing. Hey, what do you think about this bathroom? Honestly. So, plans in here is we're actually going to remove the bath and have an L-shaped cupboard taking up the whole bathroom with two sinks. A sink there and a sink there, and all cupboard space underneath. And this is all Miranda's doing, by the way. She's back in Perth at the moment. That's why she's not floating around painting. They're seeing out the school year, Miranda and the kids. So I'm here by myself and my old man. But yeah, she's doing all the choices of the flooring, the wood floors throughout, all the carpet, and the laminate is coming out. Flooring throughout. She's chosen what flooring to have. She's chosen the kitchen, the colours, the cupboards, the oven, the microwave, the washing machine, the range hood, the tiling, plantation shed. It's all her. I'm just the muggins that's got to rip everything out. And my main job is outside, but to be honest with you, there's so much to do out there, and I don't know when I'm going to get around to doing it. It's just one of those things. We just got to take it step by step, because it's a massive, massive undertaking. But we're keen for it to just make it our dream home, basically, is what it's all about. Big changes already. Yeah. I suppose I should probably show you what the kids' rooms look like before the fans go in. So this will be Jacqueline's room. Do you remember these guys of my vintage, the tassels? Love it. Right, so that's where the fan's going in there. There's also a fan coming into Cameron's room. This is actually the old master. This is the old master. It used to be a 3x1, and now those extensions have made it a 4x1. This is going to be our spare bedroom, which is getting a fan and a light put in. Now the fan for our bedroom's not going in until that gyprocking's done, so it's all going to be done in dribs and drabs. The sparkies have got to come and go several times. The builder's got to come and go several times. All right, well, g'day everyone. So we had the sparkies arrive to do some of their work today. They've still got heaps more to do, but I'll just give a little whip around of what they've done. They made a massive mess. Oh, I'm probably being a little bit unfair, but it's always dusty work, insulation and dust and all sorts of stuff everywhere. And my old man actually did a little bit of vacuuming. I didn't know he could vacuum. He reckons he does it every week, but I don't know. I have to check with mum on that one. So we got some downlights put in here, and this is the biggest difference. We need to make some adjustments, but as the new dining room light fixture, that's going to come a little bit lower and have that central over the dining room table like that. And then we also got some downlights on little dimmer switches as well, so that's pretty cool. And we can change the color of those downlights too. You can change them from like a bluish light to a white light to a more of a warm light. So I'll let Miranda decide what she wants to do with that one. We'll just head back down through the hallway. Just some more downlights. More downlights. We got a fan. I can't turn the light on in Cam's room because they're all, oh no, there we go. I thought they were disconnected, but a couple of lights on the wall, a new fan. We're getting fans in all the bedrooms. That's the only one that's been put up so far. Our bedroom can't be put up until the gyprocking of the ceiling's been done. Come down in here, it's a little bit dark because we've got some lights removed, ready for the gyprocking, and also lights removed in here, ready for the gyprocking. Yeah, so just a little update. I don't know how these episodes are gonna unfold, but what we'll try and do is just some little updates as we go along. Right, well, Miranda, I'm sorry. I've got to post this to her in Perth, and she's probably gonna say, what the hell, Craig, you've been rambling for 10 minutes. How the hell can someone talk for 10 minutes? Good luck editing this one, sweetie. Love you. And to everyone else, thanks for watching. If you're liking what we're doing, like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll get back to roaming in the Robbo eventually. And yeah, catch you out there. See ya.